The last time we talked about neurosis, being a neurotic, and defined it as, just from its root word, that it's a nervous condition in a sense. It means you're unsettled. You're worried about things going forward, or depressed about what's going on in your life, and it's the inability to keep your thoughts in the present moment. The notion of Eastern philosophy and being like just settled in the moment. The cliche now of Zen, just being calm, is the apt intervention for nervousness and neurotic discomfort. Distracting your mind with activities that are pull you away, or just taking time to just calm yourself down in meditation. But a lot of people talk to me about worry about their children, their kids. Sometimes they're young kids, depending on chemically where they are. ADHD, of course, is a big concern for a lot of parents, where their kids have a hard time settling down into school and sitting at a desk. And, I get that. That was my story. But especially when you get into the adolescent age and the pubescent age, it really becomes, just so difficult. For so many kids, it's incredibly painful. And as a parent, what do you do? I mean, there's only so much you can do to intervene in the complex tribal relationship set of your kids in junior and senior high. But just like for yourself, that the treatment is talk therapy and constructive distraction, the same thing goes for your kids. Now, in some cases, if it's severe, you might want to take them to a counselor, but that's kind of a, not a last resort, but there are things you can do in the interim. You can be their counselor. You can talk openly with them about what is that's bothering, to try and get their trust to disclose to you the details of some of the nonsense that's going on in the soap opera of school and their relationships. And the other thing, too, is to engage them in family-based activities that pull them away from the stresses and tensions of their peer group. I'm a big fan of eating dinner together. I'm a big fan of having trips together. I mean, even if it's day trips or activities just with the family, where they're around you and whatever siblings are around, okay? To give them relief and to spell them from the intensity of school. Monday morning will come and they'll be at it. Mostly we grow out of this, but Americans really are having trouble feeling at peace. We're neurotic as all get out, okay? But you can do something about it.